Hey, what's up, guys? I have an unboxing for you. It's C3 Yo-Yo Design Winning Bird Special Splash Edition, and I'm going to unbox it for you. I'll try and go through this as quick as possible. Let me see if I can open this. I just cut through it a little to make it faster, so I already got it open, I guess. There we go. You can see what's everything inside. Here's the yo-yo. Got some toxic string, 10-pack, rainbow. I thought that was just too cool not to buy. And then I get 3 packs of trading cards. The winter giveaway is still going on. I'm surprised it is. And I guess I'll just open this, because maybe I'll win. Doubtful. And if I do win, I will put the link in the description of if I did win. First card. It doesn't even matter to me what cards I get. I already have every card. So, COIW, Christian Kowalski, Steve Brown, and Yahashi Furukawa. Whatever. Looks like I didn't win. I got a Johnny Del Valle. I already have like 3 of them. World Champion Edition. Sam Lopez, I have him signed. Yoshi Kawakura again. Oopsie. That win? Nope. Hank Freeman, Yoshi Ozuna, and a Yuki Spencer. So, there are my cards. Let me get all the trash out of the way. Okay, I got the 10-pack. I'm actually pretty happy about. People say this is really good. So, Atomic Wonder. It's pretty neat. Okay, let's get on to the yo-yo. Ooh, it's bigger than I thought it'd be. I thought it'd be smaller. Here it is. I really like their boxes. I've never gotten a C3. Whoa. That is amazing. Huh. It's pretty cool. Oh, wow. I thought it usually comes with a concave. Wow, they said it came with a concave. Whatever. Really nice. And I failed. Sorry if I'm making this super long, but I wanted to get it done. Okay, I guess here is C3 Yo-Yo Design Winning Bird. I'm gonna go play with it, and I'll make a review if you guys want me to. Bye.